Hello, my name's Toby Shapshak and we are unboxing this Huawei Mate50 Pro today. It's the very impressive new flagship phone from a brilliant smartphone maker, amongst other things I might add. I'm going to start on the back because it's this very impressive camera array that is such a standout feature, as is this very interestingly textured orange back. I do like the splash of color, I have to say. So what we have here is a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra wide, and a 64 megapixel telephoto sensor. Now this is very impressive because it gives you a wide range of very good camera and shooting options. So let's take a look at the front, where we've got a 13 megapixel camera, selfie camera behind that notch, but also a 3D sensor. This is a very good 6.7 inch Oled display. As you can see, gamers will be very pleased to know it has 120 hertz refresh rate. And what is impressive about everything that Huawei does is the excellent engineering. It is a really well-made device. Inside it has a octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Core 1 processor. It's a mouthful in and of itself. It has 8 gigs of RAM, and you can get it with either 256 gigs of storage or 5112. And of course, you can install all your favorite apps through Huawei's own app gallery and Petal search system. Now, what I think is just as impressive as all these other features is the 66 watt fast charger, which Huawei introduced in their last flagship device, and it charges the Mate50 Pro's 4,700 milliamp battery pretty quickly. So these are the kinds of things that you need in the challenges of load shredding. This is Huawei's Mate50 Pro, a highly impressive, brilliant smartphone with a great screen and an excellent looking camera array.